Installing an APK on iPhone without jailbreaking.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a question many iPhone users ask: how can I install an APK on my iPhone without jailbreaking? It's important to note that APK files are designed for the Android operating system, not iOS. However, there are some workarounds which we'll discuss today.
What is an APK?
APK stands for Android Package Kit. It's the package file format used by the Android operating system for distribution and installation of mobile apps and middleware. Think of it like the .exe files we use on Windows to install software. APK files, however, are not natively supported on the iPhone.
Can you install an APK directly on iPhone?
The straightforward answer is no. You cannot directly install an APK on an iPhone because the iOS system does not support the APK file format. However, there are ways to use Android apps on an iPhone, one of which is using emulator apps.
What is an emulator?
An emulator is a type of software that replicates one system onto another. In our context, we are talking about an Android emulator for iPhone. It allows you to run Android apps on your iPhone. But, remember, these methods will not always provide a perfect experience and the functionality of the Android app might be limited.
How to install an Android emulator?
Installing an Android emulator on your iPhone requires a few steps. 1. Search for a reliable Android emulator in the Apple App Store. Note: make sure it has good reviews and it's from a reputable developer. 2. Download and install the emulator app on your iPhone. 3. Launch the emulator and follow the on-screen instructions to set up.
How to use Android apps on iPhone with an emulator?
After setting up the emulator, you can download Android apps within the emulator. 1. Open the emulator app on your iPhone. 2. Inside the emulator, there should be a Google Play Store or similar platform. Use this to search for the Android app you want to use. 3. Download and install the app within the emulator. 4. After installation, you should be able to use the Android app on your iPhone through the emulator. So, there you have it. While you cannot directly install an APK file on an iPhone, you can use an Android emulator to run Android apps on your iPhone. Always remember to only download apps from trusted sources and use reliable emulators. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and thank you for watching.